In this video, we are going to see how to create twisted sweep. For that, we'll select any one plane and we'll create the sketch that we want to make twisting. So I'm making a profile here, exit, and I'll taking a perpendicular plane where I can make my curve. So I'll define one line, or we can take spline as well. So make little more twister. Like this, I just created one spline. And now I'm going to sweep this profile over the spline. We'll go to swept boss, select the profile and select the path. Now we'll go to options and we'll take the option profile twist. We'll change this to specify twist value. Here you have different method, radian, revolutions. I'll go with the revolutions. I want to take 3 revolutions and wait. So you can see here how it is twisted. Let's reduce that revolutions to 2 so it will look a little smoother, and do OK. After that, if you want to apply a material like a plastic material, we'll go to plastic materials. We have a lot of plastics. I want to define black wire. So this is how we have added a plastic material to this. So this is how any wire kind of things you have to create, you can use a twisted sweep method. Thank you for watching this video.